look around. Here are some amazing rainbow barns on the farm. One is red and the other one is orange. Here is green, blue and even purple. Yeah! Red, orange, green, blue and purple. Purple. Shall we count them together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow! 5 barns. That's brilliant. But wait, what do you think could be hiding inside these barns? Should we open them up? Yes?
Yes!
Yes? Fantastic! I'll need your help to open. You say 1, 2, 3, open please all together and I will open the barns. We'll discover who is hiding inside. Ready?
Yes!
Let's get started. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Open, please. Great job. Let's peek inside the red barn. Who is waiting for us there? Oh, do you know? Yes, it's a cow. Look, black and white cow. The cow goes moo moo. Can you say moo moo? Moo moo. It's a cow saying moo moo. Well done, little friends. Cows give us milk that we drink every day. Yes. Now, let's open the orange barn. 1, 2, 3. Open, please. Uh-oh. Who is speaking out? It's a horse. A brown horse. Neigh, neigh. The horse goes neigh, neigh. Can you say neigh, neigh like a horse? Neigh, neigh. You are doing great. Horses are very strong animals and can run really fast. Next up is the green barn. Yes, let's open the green barn. 1, 2, 3. Open, please. Open. Oh, and it's a pig. A pink piggy friend is right here. Pink pig. It's a pig. The pig says oink, oink. Oink, oink. Can you try saying oink, oink like the pig? Oink, oink. And again. Oink, oink. Awesome job. Oh, look. Here is the pig. Woo, rolling in the mud. Hi, pig. Hello. 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 Happy to see you here on the farm. Pigs love to roll in the mud to keep cool. Yes. Oh, the pig is waving. Waving. Hi. Hi. Oink, oink goes the pig. The pig says oink, oink. Can you say oink, oink once again like a pig?
Yes.
Oink, oink. Oink, oink. Great job. love playing in the mud on the farm. Play, play, play. Let's say bye-bye, piggy friend. See you later. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Oink, oink. Let's explore the blue barn now. 1, 2, 3. Open, please. Who is making this sound? Baba. Baba. Yes, it's a sheep. A fluffy, woolly sheep is right here. Hello, sheep. The sheep goes, Baba, Baba. Can you say Baba like a sheep?
Yes.
Let's try together. Baba, Baba. Well done, little friends. Sheep have some soft wool that keeps them warm. Baba. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Thank you, says the master, thank you, says the dame. Thank you, says the little boy who lives down the lane. Hi! Oh, finally, let's see who is inside the purple barn. Are you ready to open?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Open, please. Oh, and it's quack, 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 quack. Who is there? It's a duck. Quack, quack goes the duck. This is a yellow dog saying quack, 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 quack. Can you try saying quack, quack like a duck? Quack, quack. And again, quack, quack. Yeah, this dog says quack, quack. This bright yellow duck loves to swim in the pond. Swim, swim, swim. Swim, swim, swim. Quack, quack. 5 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but none of the 5 little ducks came back. Said Mother duck went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Said Mother duck said quack, 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 and all of the 5 little ducks came back. Oh, little friends, Thank you for helping me discover all our barnyard friends. Oh, I've got an idea. Let's give our farm friends a great splash. It's bath time on the farm. Yay! With Han leading the way, first comes a cow. It's a cow. Splash! Bye-bye, cow. See you later. Next in line is a horse. It's a horse. Splash! Bye-bye, horse. See you later. Now it's turn for a pink pig. It's a pig. It's a pig and splash! Bye-bye, pig. See you later. Next in line is a sheep. It's a sheep. Splash! Bye-bye, sheep. See you later. And finally, in line is a dog. Yes, it's a yellow dog. Ducks love to swim. Splash! Bye-bye, little dog. See you later. Now, let's take all the animals out of the water and put them under the sunshine. The cow goes out and horse out. Pig out. Sheep out. And little yellow dog out. Great job, friends. Do you want to go again?
Yes.
Yes. Let's get started. Cow in. Horse in. Pig in. Sheep in. Dog in. Hello, how are you there? Let's take the animals out. Cow out. Horse out. Pig out. Sheep out. Duck out. That's great! You did it, little friends! Let's put the animals under the sunlight and keep them warm. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind a tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on, please shine down on, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind a tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on, please shine down on, please shine down on me. Peekaboo! time to wind down with a cozy book. Look, little friend, here is the book I want to share with you. Peekaboo, where is Mrs. Hen? It's a story about friendly farmyard animals hiding across the farm. Let's read together as our friendly hen snuggles up for story time in her cozy nest. Where is Mrs. Hen? Let's read the story together. Where is Mr. Pig? Open. Here he is. Hello, Mr. Pig. How are you doing today? Where is Mrs. Cow? Open. Here she is. Hello, Mrs. Cow. Have a lovely day. Where is Mr. Sheep? Let's open. Open. Here he is. So fluffy. Hello, Mr. Sheep. How are you today? Have a lovely day. See you later. Where is Mrs. Hen? Let's open. Here she is. Hello, Mrs. Hen. Have a lovely day. And where are you, baby? Let's open. Open. There you are. Oh, look. Miss Irina is there. Hello, Miss Irina. And there are you, baby, too. Hi. Have a lovely day. The end. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With moo-moo here and moo-moo there, here moo, there moo, everywhere moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With neigh-neigh here and neigh-neigh there, here neigh, there neigh, everywhere neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a oink oink here, oink oink there, here oink there, oink everywhere, oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here ba, there ba, everywhere ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a hen, E-I-E-I-O. With a bok-bok here and a bok-bok there, here bok, there bok, everywhere bok-bok. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Wow, that was an amazing adventure with our farm animals and our new friend, Little Hen. Bok, bok, bok. baby, for joining me and Han. And now it's time to say bye-bye, bye-bye, until our next exciting journey together. Bye-bye, little friends. Bye.